Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get 4,700 milligrams of potassium daily. To achieve this, prioritize a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and legumes, as these are excellent natural sources. Aim to spread your intake throughout the day, rather than consuming large amounts at once. This consistent approach helps your body absorb and utilize this vital mineral effectively for optimal health. Many common foods are packed with potassium. For instance, a medium sweet potato can provide nearly 1,000 milligrams. Cooked spinach offers over 800 milligrams per cup. Half an avocado contributes around 700 milligrams, and a medium banana contains over 400 milligrams. Incorporating these into your meals makes reaching your daily goal much easier and more delicious. To consistently meet your potassium target, integrate these foods strategically. Begin your day with a fruit and vegetable smoothie. For lunch and dinner, ensure your plate includes generous portions of potassium-rich vegetables like broccoli or leafy greens. Snack on fruits such as oranges or dried apricots. Even small additions throughout the day contribute significantly to your overall intake. Achieving 4,700 milligrams of potassium daily is very attainable with mindful eating. Remember to vary your food choices to get a full spectrum of nutrients. While cooking, opt for methods that preserve nutrients like steaming. If you have kidney issues or other health concerns, always consult your doctor before making significant dietary changes or considering supplements. Your health professional can provide personalized guidance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.